Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about database management system. Let's understand what does a database management system means. A database management system is a software which is basically used for storing and retrieving the data. It comprises of hardware, softwares, and internet facility which assist business in their operations. Database management system is a software for storing and retrieving users' data while considering appropriate security measures. Security measures plays a vital role in database management system since database management system deals with the data of business operations. Let's say if individual is using a database management system, it's all about the security of individuals' privacy and the private data as well. So security measures are mandate when it comes to database management system. It consists of group of programs which manipulates the database. Always the database management system is comprised with a lot of programs which helps in right from the storage of data, retrieving of the data, and also the manipulations or any other alterations we do with the data which is in the database. The database management system accepts the request for a data from an application and instructs the operating system to provide the specific data. Consider when an individual is providing a query, that query will pass through an application and through that the instruction will go to the operating system and the operating system deals with the query to provide us with the specific data which we ask through a query. Now let's discuss about few of the important characteristics or features of database management system. Database management system provides security and removes redundancy. We have already discussed about the security aspects because the data whichever is stored and which are being manipulated inside the database management system are to be very secured. It has to be implemented with a lot of authentications and also the security aspects like firewalls or encryption or decryption so that the data is more secure. And coming to redundancy, the repetition of data storage can be reduced by using a database management system. And database management system has a self-describing nature of data. Here, the database management system will give a unique identity to every data which is being stored, and the data is described in a logical way which computer understands, so that it becomes easy for us to retrieve the data whenever we are in need of. And it also provides insulation between the programs and the data abstraction. As we discussed before, the applications will send the query, whereas the operating system will operate on the query to give us the data which we have asked for. And support of multiple views of the data. Data could be viewed in different forms, let it be a table or a graphical format or a representation in any other form is possible when we are using database management system. Sharing of data and multiple user transaction processing is possible when we have a common database. And DBMS allows entities and relations among them to form the table. Every data which is being entered in the database management system will have a unique code created, and also we can form an entities which we'll be discussing further in relational database management model. So on creation of these entities and the relation between the entities, formation of tables becomes much easier. And it follows the ACID concepts, which we call it as atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. All these four characteristics are established by using a database management system. DBMS also supports multi-user environment that allows users to access and manipulate data in parallel. So both the process can happen parallelly, wherein you can allow the users to access the data. At the same time, you can also help them in manipulating the data or making any changes whichever is required for the data which is being used. Thank you.